Show you how you can use the count function to quickly total up something. Now, my example here at my school, we do what's called Wolf of the Year nominations, and all the teachers get to vote. This model here obviously is involving fake student names, and it's a very small group. In reality, if we're looking at the entire 8th grade, that involves multiple hundreds of students. So in order to efficiently get all of the votes in without slowing anyone down, we would use an Excel sheet. Someone would put in all the names, we would share the form with everyone who is eligible to vote, and then they would just come in and they would type in yes for who they want to vote for. We're not asking them to grade every student, not rank everyone, just go and put 2 yeses for your top ones. Now, even before we can send it out, we can create a thing that will auto total it for us. So we are going to go ahead and say equal sign and then count. And if we notice, we've got count the number of cells in a range that contains a number. That is not going to be the one we want. Count the number of cells in the range that are not empty. For us, we are going to use that one, but some other ones you could also use is count the number of cells within a range that meet the given criteria, and I'll show you why we might use that one instead. But first, we use count A, and we are going to just go ahead and drag, cover the whole area that we want to count. Now, we do that, we can drag it down, and we are good to go. What you notice, even if someone only typed a Y, or even if they typed an X instead, it will still count. Here's the issue. Sometimes people don't follow directions, and they will go through and they will type no, no, no for everybody. So, to avoid this running your data sheet, the other option was that CountIF. So count, and we're going to do CountIF this time, and we're going to give it criteria. So if I come up here, let's try this again, equals CountIF, okay, and we are going to double click. Okay, so first we got to pick our range. So I'm looking from here to here, and then we're going to do a comma. Now, I can say my range, my criteria is it has to say yes if I trust my teachers, or if I just want it to have the letter Y in it, just in case, and then we can count. It doesn't work that way, so we do have to come in here and say yes. Still, let me try. Yes, there we go. So I have found that you have to put parentheses, so if I zoom in here on my thing, I don't know if it's going to zoom in, but I say yes in parentheses, even if I go in and change my thing to say Y, it will not work, so it has to exactly match, so I want them to all type in yes here, so criteria, and now it's yes. We can double check to see if this worked by dragging this new CountIF formula all down, and we'll see it counted here, but it didn't count it there. So, depending on if you trust your teachers to actually type in yes, you would want to use CountIF. If you were concerned at all about them writing no, because even if I write no, it does not come across. So, count A, if you just want to count if there's something inside a text box. Count if you want to count an actual specific word or number in a text box.